Want to quickly update your Calendly events without confusion? In this video, I'll show you how to edit events step by step so you can manage your schedule with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides. Once you're on your Calendly homepage, look through your list of events and find the one you want to update. Next to the event name, click the little gear icon and choose Edit. A side menu will open where you can start customizing. You can update the event name so it's clear and professional, adjust the duration to match your meeting needs, and even change the location to Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. If needed, update your availability to match the days and times that work best for you, and assign the right host if multiple people are managing the event. Once you've made your changes, just hit Save Changes and your event will update instantly. It's that easy, and that's how you edit events in Calendly for 2025. Quick, simple, and stress-free. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.